What's up, guys? So today, well, starting today, I'm gonna be redoing this spare bedroom. I've been so bored during quarantine, so I thought I would take on a little project. Make a little trip to Home Depot, buy some paint, get some tools and whatnot, and redo a bedroom. I want to move into this room and make this my bedroom slash filming room because the lighting is much better in here, the sound is better. So you guys are gonna come along on my journey of redecorating a bedroom. So first, I definitely want to get rid of everything in this room. And oh, hey buddy. I really like this closet, so I'm gonna keep it in here, but I just need to take everything out. Okay, so my next move is to put my clothes in there and move these clothes out and put them in the room I have now. So yeah, that is the next move. Alright, so I've moved 2 shelves out of here. Mostly put some things away in the boxes, and I've already put my hanging, like my coats and stuff in there. Still got a long way to go. A little update on the renovation room, bedroom slash filming room. We started painting today. Yeah, we have the first layer of paint done. Yeah, that's just a little update on the room. So what I didn't film really anything yesterday. I filmed cleaning up some stuff, and then I took out 2 shelves, and that was about all that I filmed. So after that, I moved pretty much everything into this room I'm in right now. But if you guys take a look at it, it doesn't look too pretty. So, oh, this is the current situation right now. When you're renovating, it always looks worse before it gets better. Pretty soon this will all be organized. So yeah, that is just a little update, and hopefully tomorrow we finish the paint. So I'll keep you updated, and we'll be back tomorrow. Wow, this lighting is fantastic. My cat's in here. Hey, buddy. Part three of renovating this bedroom. Anyways, the lighting already 10 times better in here. Hey guys, there is a lot that I need to update you guys on. We had to paint 3 coats of paint on the purple because it was so dark. 3 coats was honestly good enough. We did 3 coats. I moved all my furniture in here. We redid the other bedroom into like a cool like hangout place. So yeah, here is the before and after. And that is the finished product, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, I'm just finishing my video. It's okay. That's so funny. I am sorry this video wasn't very exciting compared to my other ones, but now they will be even better from here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and for sure on Sunday next week there will be a brand new video for you guys. Sorry this one was a little bit late, but yeah, thank you guys for watching again, and I will see you guys in the next video.